Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to patch up some plaster on the wall. It's a pretty embarrassing story, I'll tell you. So I was drilling a hole in the wall to put up a picture frame and I hit a main water pipe. The whole room filled up with water. It was so embarrassing. Anyway, lucky my good mate Ben from Beautiful Plumbing was able to come out on emergency call and fix it up for me. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So I bought this multi-filler from Bunnings. It's just like plaster, and we're going to apply that. So it costs just under $10 for this little bucket, and it should do the job just great. So you want to mix it until it's like toothpaste thickness. Make sure there's no watery bits in there, and then you can apply it. So it's going to look just like that, really thick. So you want it. Alright guys, let's go apply it. Okay guys, so if you have some tools like this laying around at home, it's going to make the job a bit easier. This container does come with a little spatula, a little plastic one, but it's only that big. I'll show you. Okay, so that's it there. So it's a bit small for smaller jobs it'll be good, but for this job I'm going to use these bit bigger tools. Alright. So first step, just going to get a bit of filler and put it on my spatula. Okay, so we've got it on the spatula here. I'll try not to drop it on the camera. And then just apply it on the wall. Make sure you've given the wall a quick rub down, just with a paintbrush or something like that, just to get the dust off, and then you can apply it. So apply thick blobs. You want to have nice thick plaster on there. So put a good amount on. Try not to spill too much on the floor. If you've got some tarps or some plastic or cardboard, just put it on the floor. So as you apply it, you want to push it hard on the wall. That way the plaster is going to go in all the little small cracks. Get some more plaster. Okay, so once you've applied a nice thick coat on the wall, you want to just scrape it down a little bit, just to get it sort of level, but leave out a couple of mil out of the wall. That way later on you can just sand it back down. Okay, so some bits have come off, so we're just going to apply a bit more. Okay, so once you're happy with that, let it dry for 24 hours, and then next we're going to sand it back. Alright guys, so it's been 24 hours now, plaster's now dry, and now it's ready for sanding. So we've got this sanding block, and we've got 120 grit sandpaper. Okay, so we're going to sand away. What you want to do is go in circular motion. This way it's going to keep the plaster nice and even. and you also want to have a face mask and safety glasses. There's going to be a lot of dust flying around, so if you have a vacuum cleaner, that'll probably be handy as well. If you've got another person, they can stand there with a vacuum cleaner catching all the dust. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay guys, so once you've taken most of the plaster off, just give it a feel to see if it's flush. If it's not quite flush, just sand it a little bit more. I'm going to sand it a bit more. Okay guys, so that's it. It's nice and flush now. I'll give you a close-up of it. See if it will focus in. So as you can see, it's nice and flush now. All it needs is a paint of coat and it's good to go. Alright, so that's how you plaster a wall. How easy was that? Probably took an hour all up, but it's just like brand new. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you next time.